A young woman is attending her mother's funeral. While there, she meets a man she has never seen before and falls in love immediately. After the funeral, she tries to find him but cannot. Several days later, she kills her sister. Why does she kill her sister? Let me repeat the riddle. A young woman is attending her mother's funeral. While there, she meets a man she has never seen before and falls in love immediately. After the funeral, she tries to find him but cannot. Several days later, she kills her sister. Why does she kill her sister? Think about the question carefully. What about those prior events could have led her to commit such a crime? Feel free to pause the video and try yourself before checking the solution. Let everyone know your answer in the comment section. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, do subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for the newest videos watching. Answer to this riddle is, she killed her sister in hopes that the mystery man would attend the funeral. Basically, the desperate woman thinks that the man would be compelled to go to her sister's funeral if he was present at her mother's. This is the most widely accepted answer to this riddle. There are many other ways to look into the problem. Let me explain few ways how we can interpret this riddle. First of all, no one falls in love instantly by looking or meeting someone just for one time. And that too without even talking with them. It's an attraction more than love. Killing someone requires a strong reason or motive. Even if someone says they are killing others for fun, even that's a reason too and can have a story hidden behind. She killed her sister can have several possibilities depending on how interesting you want to make your crime thriller. Here are some of the thoughts. She might have slipped into depression due to loss of her mother or for not being able to find that guy, and out of depression, she might not know what she is doing or thinking and accidentally killed her sister one day. Or she might have turned into a psychopath with a weird thought of bringing back the guy to funeral yet again with an intention to meet him this time, and killed her sister from her family for a funeral to take place, and thereby she could gain his sympathy when she meets him this time. Or her sister is prettier than her, and if her sister has been pointing this out to make her look down in front of others, at times can make a person feel so bad inside and turn them into angry and jealousy within, resulting in such deadly acts. There could be other reasons too. Beauty and attraction are a lethal combination which can make a person lose their consciousness at times and forget basic moral values in a snap. These are my thoughts. There are other ways of looking into the riddle. Do share yours in the comment section. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and thank you for your support.